I bought this camera more than 20 years ago for capturing travel emotion around the world. It was my first digital camera, and I really enjoy for the first time to capture images and directly have on my computer without waiting days until the film was developed. Step back in time and discover the remarkable Canon IXUS 400, a pioneer in digital photography that captivated the world 2 decades ago. This compact marvel boasted a 4.0 megapixel CCD sensor, paired with Canon's cutting-edge optics, delivering unparalleled image quality in its era. With its built-in 3x optical zoom lens, equivalent to 36 to 108 mm in 35 mm format, the IXUS 400 offered versatility in capturing a wide range of subjects. Its advanced digital image processor ensured swift performance and superior image processing, setting new standards for compact cameras. Compose and review your shots with ease on the camera's vibrant 1.5-inch color TFT LCD display. The innovative 9-point AIF autofocus system ensured precise focusing, whether shooting landscapes or portraits, while various shooting modes, including Program AE, Shutter Priority AE, Aperture Priority AE, and Manual, empowered photographers to unleash their creativity. Capture fleeting moments with the camera's continuous shooting mode, capable of snapping images at up to 2 frames per second. And for those seeking to document memories in motion, the IXUS 400's movie mode allowed for recording video clips with sound, albeit at lower resolutions compared to modern standards. Store your precious memories on compact flash, CF, memory cards, and effortlessly transfer them to your computer via USB connectivity. Join us as we celebrate the Canon IXUS 400's enduring legacy in the realm of digital imaging. Let's compare the features of the Canon IXUS 400 with those of a modern digital camera, such as the Canon Powershot G7X Mark III. Sensor resolution: Canon IXUS 400, 4.0 megapixel CCD sensor. Canon G7X Mark III, 20.1 megapixel CMOS sensor. Lens: Canon IXUS 400, built-in 3x optical zoom lens, 36 to 108 mm equivalent. Canon G7X Mark III, built-in 4.2x optical zoom lens, 24 to 100 mm equivalent. Image processor: Canon IXUS 400, equipped with Canon's digital image processor. Canon G7X Mark III uses Canon's latest digital 8 image processor. LCD display: Canon IXUS 400, 1.5-inch color TFT LCD display. Canon G7X Mark III, 3.0-inch tilting touchscreen LCD display. Autofocus: Canon IXUS 400, 9-point AIAF autofocus system. Canon G7X Mark III, dual pixel CMOS AF with 5,481 selectable AF points for faster and more accurate focusing. Shooting modes: Canon IXUS 400, Program AE, Shutter Priority AE, Aperture Priority AE, and Manual modes. Canon G7X Mark III offers a wide range of shooting modes, manual modes, as panorama and time-lapse. Continuous shooting: Canon IXUS 400, capable of shooting at up to 2 frames per second. Canon G7X Mark III can shoot at up to 20 frames per second in continuous shooting mode. Video recording: Canon IXUS 400, movie mode for recording video clips with sound at lower resolutions. Canon G7X Mark III records high-quality 4K UHD video with stereo sound and supports advanced video features such as 4K time-lapse and full HD slow-motion recording. Storage: Canon IXUS 400 uses compact flash, CF, memory cards. Canon G7X Mark III uses SD, SDHC, and SDXC memory cards. Connectivity: Canon IXUS 400, USB connectivity for transferring images. Canon G7X Mark III offers built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity for wireless image transfer and remote shooting, or USB connectivity. These comparisons highlight the significant advancements in digital camera technology over the past 2 decades.